Hello students, welcome back to our CMS online classes, and this is your teacher Rajrandhani Raut. Welcome you once again to the Lockdown 3.0. Well, yesterday in our previous video we have completed our chapter pronouns and kinds of pronouns, right? And hope all of you have completed your homework, right? Okay. So today what we are going to learn is our next chapter. Our next chapter is adjectives and kinds of adjective. Our next chapter is adjectives and kinds of adjective. Okay, so let's go to the topic. Don't waste our time. Take out your pen and paper and be ready for the definitions, examples, and so many things. Okay, so what is adjective? Most of you know that what is adjective. Definitely you know. Still, this is in our book, so we are going to discuss it. Okay, so what is adjective? Adjective tells us the quality of a noun or pronoun. Noun we know, pronoun we know. So, quality of a noun and pronoun is called adjective. That means what? An adjective describes the noun and pronoun. You can say it modifies the noun or pronoun, which says something about the noun and pronoun, are called adjectives. Okay, so one example. Okay, any example. I have a blue pen. I have a blue pen. Find out the noun. Noun. Pen. What? Pen. Okay. If the noun is pen, what kind of, that means the quality of pen is what? The quality of pen is what? Blue. Which color pen? Blue color pen. So the quality is here the blue. So blue is the adjective here. Right or not? Okay. Another example. These are ripe mangoes. These are ripe mangoes. Now, mangoes. Clear. What kind of mangoes? Ripe. Ripe mango. So the quality is ripe. What? Ripe. So ripe is the adjective here. Is it only the adjective? No. Only this much is not the adjective. That's why we are going to discuss the kinds of adjectives through which we can identify different types of different words of adjectives. Okay? No doubt that is an adjective, but that is not only the adjective, not only that. So many things are there which we are going to discuss. So these are our 7 kinds of adjectives as you can see on your screen. Okay. Hope it is clearly visible in the full screen. Okay. So all the points, all the definitions, all the examples, whatever is needed, just write down. Okay. So first we'll go to our point number 1, adjective of quality. What? Adjective of quality. Okay. An adjective that tells us about the kind of a person, place or thing, or the quality. Okay, kind or quality of a person, place, thing, etc. They are called as the adjective of quality. Okay. For example, as you can see that Mukesh Ambani is a wealthy man. Mukesh Ambani is a wealthy man. So here Mukesh Ambani is the subject, which is the noun. You can say that man. Okay, that means about, you can also, Mukesh Ambani is the noun, right or not? So about Mukesh Ambani, what is the kind or what is the quality this sentence is saying? Wealthy man. What kind of man? Wealthy man. Understood? So Mukesh Ambani is a noun, which, that means the word wealthy describes the word, or the word wealthy is the quality of Mukesh Ambani. That's why the word wealthy, you can see, is in the bold letter. Okay, this is the adjective of quality. Okay, another example also you can see that I read an interesting book. What kind of book? Interesting book. Okay, the word interesting is the adjective of quality. Okay, next we'll go to our point number 2, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. So an adjective that tells us how much of a thing, how much, listen properly, how much the word, okay, how much of a thing, we are referring to it as a adjective of quantity. क्वांटिटी किसमें होगा? that means it answers the question how much. What? How much? Okay. Example. Ahmad ate the whole chapati. How much chapati? Whole chapati. I drank all the milk in the cup. How much milk? All the milk. Okay. So if it answers the question how much, okay, how much of noun or how much of a thing, it tells us about the adjective of quantity. Clear? Okay, next we'll go to our point number 3, adjective of number, right? An adjective that tells us the number of persons, animals or things. What? Number. We can say that in what order the noun is placed, in what order, in what position the noun is placed. Okay, and it also answers the question of how many. What? How many? Okay, example you can see, the boy have 2 balloons. How many balloons? 2 balloons. Okay, Karan got only 5 marks in English. How many marks? Only 5 marks. So another example also you can see that Rita got 2nd position in her class, right? So which position? That means this is the order or position of Rita in her class. So these are the adjective of number. Point number 3 completed. Next we'll go to our point number 4. Demonstrative adjective. What? Demonstrative adjective. The word demonstrative you also know, properly, right? Okay. An adjective which is used to point out a person, animal, thing, etc. is called as demonstrative adjectives. What? Point out. Demonstrative means to point out something, to point out the noun or pronoun, right? Okay, so example as you can see on your screen, that this is a pilot pen, that is my house. Okay, so here what you are doing, that means pointing out the noun, right? So here the word this, that are the demonstrative adjectives. Clear? Next we'll go to our interrogative adjectives. What? Interrogative adjectives. Point number 5, right? So an adjective used with a noun to ask a question. Interrogative also is means that what? That to ask questions. Interrogative means, right? So an adjective used with a noun to ask a question is called an interrogative adjective. Okay. Example. Which car is yours? Which car is yours? Whose house is this? See, the WH word is with the noun. Yes or no? So these are called interrogative adjectives. Next we'll go to our distributive adjective. What? Distributive adjective. Distributive adjective is what? That shows, okay, the persons or things shown by the noun are taken singly. Taken singly. Single way, okay, or in separate lots, okay, or in separately. Suppose example in your class I will say that Rahul must bring his own bag, Rohit must bring his own bag, you must bring his own bag, she must bring his own bag. See, I am that means telling what? 4-5 lines, okay, must bring his own bag, must bring his own bag, repeatedly, and telling each one's name. So I can say there, each student must bring his own bag. Can I tell or not? Each student must bring his own bag, right? So these are the distributive adjectives as you can see in the that means screen. One, either, or, each, neither. These are the distributive adjectives. Okay. Next we'll go to our possessive adjective. What? Possessive adjective. The word possessive means, I told you that possessive, possession, possess, right? That means who owns that particular. Okay, possession means who owns that particular thing or object. To having possession. That means who owns that particular object or thing. This is about the possessive. So the words which are that means used as a adjective to show the position or to have possession, to have ownership, okay, is called as possessive adjective. Example, this is my shirt. This is my shirt. किसका shirt है? My shirt. That is her book. Whose book? her book. That means this is the position of the book. That means she is the owner of that book. She is the owner of that book. I am the owner of my pen. Understood? This is about the possessive adjective. Okay. We are completely discussed about the kinds of adjectives one by one. That too clearly also. Right or not? Hope all of you understood it properly, because I have gone through the definitions, examples also with the oral discussions. Fine. So, is there any doubt? Still, if you have any doubt, you can send us feedback. Okay.